thanks very much, Ross, for the introduction, and to yourself, of course, and Lynn, who both of you are fantastic engineers, and I know you're not? Yeah, you were. There you go. Oh, legal background in engineering. Okay. Wrong information, I apologise. But Lynn, I know that you're the chair of the Geelong Manufacturing Council, so both of you are very much committed to the broader community and really do have a fantastic understanding and put a great value on using your know-how, your skills to really innovate and drive technological change that is going to be part of the solutions that all of us need in reducing our emissions and really demonstrating how technologies such as this can actually really help and go such a long way for industries that will find it very difficult otherwise to decarbonise, because electrification isn't necessarily the solution for them. So congratulations on really taking this path. It's fantastic. I do want to acknowledge, of course, my parliamentary colleagues and good friends, Ella George, of course, who's the member for Lara, and Christine Cousins here as the member for Geelong. Both of them are very passionate and committed to making the journey of decarbonisation really tangible and valuable in terms of a local sense, understanding what the benefits are for job creation and tangible outcomes for local communities in terms of skills development, training opportunities, and this is a wonderful project, a demonstration of everything that they really very much truly support and work very hard for every single day. I do want to also, of course, acknowledge others here, industry representatives, stakeholders. You can see that this has got a great deal of support and interest because so many of you are here from a number of different industries also who are faced with the challenge of, you know, what are the solutions, what are the tangible options for us that are practical, can be taken up readily to give us the answer for doing your bit for reducing emissions. And that's something that we're all faced with. But for some industries, for some types of businesses, it will be harder than others. And this provides a pathway to understanding and testing out what could end up being a very viable solution. I'm very confident that this will be a solution for not just the crematorium industry sector, but so many other industries that will have also the opportunity to take on this technology. I was very keen to ensure that we had some ready available funding support for businesses that wanted to try their hand in renewable hydrogen in its many and varied applications, especially these that could be applied to industries that will find it hard to transition over to clean renewable energy source. And that is why I was so excited when this proposal came forward, because I understood their vision in terms of what it could mean for so many other industries in Victoria. And the other important thing, of course, is that demonstrating the technology is so critical, but what's also critical is that you can demonstrate your technology, but you have to have buyers. You have to have industry willing to take it up. And I know that both of you are working right now with many industry players in the local community, but also outside of even Victoria, where there are possibilities for demand to grow for renewable hydrogen. And that's what we need. We need everyone to play a role to really get this on a commercial pathway and applying it, creating the demand, so we're on that trajectory of getting to net zero emissions by 2045. Victoria is leading the country in terms of our decarbonisation, electricity, gas, from fossil gas to renewables, and other parts of other parts of the economy that need to decarbonise. But we can only be a leader when others step forward too, and we need industry to step forward and ask for supply. We need, of course, the production of renewable hydrogen, and I know that you mentioned Viva and others, without just singling them out. There are a number of players there that are really keen to produce the green hydrogen, but we need people to buy it. Okay, and that's where leadership needs to come from every part of our economy. Government, of course, will do what we need to do, but we need others to follow, and that will truly ensure that Victoria remains a leader and capture the opportunities to be able to be the hub of decarbonising technologies. And that means that there are more job opportunities for our people in Victoria that can then, of course, be utilised to supply these types of technologies, not just to the rest of the country, but even beyond that, which is always something that we should aim for. And that helps to drive the skills and the training that our people need for the future. Not just people who are transitioning from one industry to another, but younger people who really want to see opportunities for themselves in the new energy system and a zero emissions world. So can I congratulate you on this? My understanding is that this demonstration is more significant because it is the first successfully approved and demonstrated high heat industrial gas appliance running on a blend of hydrogen and fossil gas in Victoria, and possibly the world I've got here. So, but let's say Australia.
We'll go with that.
We'll go with that. But let's say Australia anyway. But so congratulations to you. We're going to continue our government support for businesses, industry that want to do this. We need you to do it, and really. It's about what our future is, not just in terms of a net zero world, but also being able to capture the opportunities of first movers, to create the jobs, to develop up the skills and the training, because those things both go together. It doesn't come at a cost, if you like, it comes at a multiplier in terms of the benefits for our local people, our young people especially. So congratulations to you, and I've probably said too much. Probably not as long as you, Ross, but almost there. But I think we're now going to.
Yep.
Oh, we've got.
So talking about young people, Tim